thinking, why did we put the launcher there? Actually, I have no idea. Okay, for today's battle, it is Galaxy Pegasus versus Fang Leone. I meant Rock Leone. Battle is up to 3 waves to determine the better Beyblade. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Galaxy Pegasus has a really cool move. It's called the Toilet Flush. And Rock Leone takes the win with stamina defeat. Let's go again. Rock Leone. 3, 2, 1. Galaxy Pegasus, use Toilet Flush. Oh my god, I beat it. The Toilet Flush. It worked, guys. The Toilet Flush. Fang Leone. Now, Galaxy Pegasus. Wow, nice attack type. And it's a tie. So far, Rock Leone has 1 and Galaxy Pegasus has 1.
I mean, yeah, 1. Whoa, Rock Leone.
The Toilet Flush worked.
The Toilet Flush.
Galaxy Pegasus has 2 points and Rock Leone has 1.
So far, Galaxy Pegasus is winning.
Seems like the better Beyblade.
Wow.
Let's go again. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
By the way, we are in the bathroom.
Bad launch.
They're in the bathroom.
No, we're not. Galaxy Pegasus has 2 points, and Rock Leone has 1. Let's go again. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Use Toilet Flush. What? Oh my god. Galaxy Pegasus has 3 points, and Rock Leone has 1. Seems like Galaxy Pegasus is the better Beyblade so far. And that was it, sir. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. And we'll be bringing up new videos every day. See you guys next time.